Hi friend, today I would like to share with you about the topic of magnetism. What is the best definition of magnetism? Magnetism is the power to attract. It refers to the attraction to iron and other metal in electric current and magnets, or to other kind of attraction where people want to be close to each other. Different kind of magnetism cause some magnets to attract while others repel. What is magnetism? In physics definition, magnetism is one aspect of combined electromagnetic force. It refers to physical phenomena arising from the force caused by magnets, objects that produce field that attract or repel each other objects. The motion of electrical charged particles gives rise to magnetism. How is magnetism used? Magnets are used to make a tight seal on the door to the refrigerator or freezer. They power speaker interior, earphone, and television. Magnets are used to store data in computer and are important in scanning machine called MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, which doctors use to look inside people's body. What are the characteristics of magnetism? Number 1. Attractive property. Magnets attract ferromagnetic material like iron, cobalt, and nickel. Number 2. Repulsive property. Like magnetic poles repel each other, and allied magnetic poles attract each other. Number 3. Directive property. A freely suspended magnet always points in a south-north direction. Why magnetism important? Magnetism shows mathematically how a chain magnetic field creates a charged electric field, and vice versa. Therefore, magnetism is very important because we use it to create electrical energy. In fact, most of energy that we use today comes from rotating magnet. The human body has magnetic field. In fact, every organ and cell in the human body has its own field. The magnetic field produces electrical current that are weaker than you may first think. This includes neurons, endocrine, and muscle cells, are called excitable cells as well. Electricity does. This activity also creates a magnetic field. Do we understand magnetism? That's what makes magnets hard to understand. They are quantum processes being studied by a classical human brain. And when you have phenomenon which the human brain can understand, you can only describe it, not explain it. What do you want to know? The magnets repel each other. What is the basic principle of magnetism? All magnets are not pole and south pole. Like poles repel but opposite poles attract each other. Electrons in the atom of magnet spin around the nucleus smoothly in one direction. This is how the two poles are created. The magnetic force flows from the north pole to the south pole of the magnets. What is magnetism a form of? Magnetism is one aspect of combined electromagnetic force. It refers to physical phenomena arising from so-called magnets, objects that produce fields that attract or repel other objects. Permanent magnets made from materials such as iron experience the strongest effect known as ferromagnetism. What is the role of magnetism in medicine? First of all, magnets in medicine can due to nuclear magnetic resonance (MRI) to diagnose abnormal human tissue and distinguish disease. These are familiar magnetic resonance imaging technique. The principle is that nuclei have positive electricity and spin motion is carried out. How does magnetism affect your life? The fact is that Earth's magnetic field acts as a shield for Earth. The particles are constantly chiming toward the Earth, and without magnetic field, they would enter our atmosphere and could cause quite a bit of damage to the atmosphere, lie on the surface and our electronic equipment. How do you pray deep in the spirit? Before say a prayer, focus on God. Be aware that God is there with you while you pray and that God is listening to every word that is being prayed. Be attentive and receptive to God's voice during prayer. Individuals must seek to be filled with the Spirit of God if they desire to lead deeper prayer life. Can you pray in your mind? God can hear your thoughts. You can pray silently. But nothing in the world works more effectively than speaking out loud so that you can hear yourself asking for help. You can either pray your prayer in your mind or speak them out loud. God is able to hear your prayer either way. In prayer, a spiritual gift. The gift of prayer is perhaps the most important and necessary spiritual practice that promotes growth as disciples of Jesus. And we read through the Bible, we run into the people, common ordinary people who pray. God sometimes choose to perform miracles because the people pray. Remember, subscribe to see the next video. Thank you.